Hey guys, Mike from Mountain Slayers here. Today I'm going to be working on my EZ30 swap. So if you've been following along, what I've been doing, so I'm taking this, I think it's an 01, might be a 2000, Gen 1 EZ30, taking it out of this Forester, it might be a Legacy, I don't know, doesn't matter much. Donor vehicle, what does matter? So this is the, I don't know what you call the end-all be-all vehicle. This is what that motor is going to go into. It's an 05 LGT. It's got some sort of aftermarket coilovers on it. But what's most important is that 5-speed gearbox in there. Wanted to go with this chassis because it's pretty clean. It's got 250,000 miles. That's the same as the donor vehicle, but everything's looking pretty clean on it. Don't know how the power steering is right now. We'll find out. I've got wheels for it. These wheels and tires don't all match. One of them's a different size, so it's kind of sketchy pushing it around because it's rolling on the wrong size. The thing about this car is inside it's pretty nice. I gotta clean it up. Did some sandblasting, but I like the inside of it. I like the outside too. I like the way it looks. It's not a wagon, so it should be a little bit lighter. So that is my big project I'm working on. Yeah, I'm super excited. Taking off all the electrical. I think it's ready to be pulled at this point. Took out the radiator. Kept in the AC radiator. I think we can get away with this. But it is bowed in, so that's interesting. See what needs to happen. So I just need to bang on it, pry it apart, and lift it up and out of here. It's pretty close. All right, and then it's all electrical work from there. But one of my biggest issues is my engine stand is occupado. What am I gonna do? We got this 257 on here. Ay, ay, ay. Am I gonna put the 257 down somewhere? Is that okay if I do that? Cleaning out my garage. things. Motor mounts. Oh, come now. I need 2 hands to do these. Well, there's one right up through there. You can see it right at that angle. And then there's this one here. So I need to get these. Let's see. I believe it's this way. Yes, it is this way. Almost. Alright. Let's put those in there. Alright, well, the sun went away and it's raining. But I'm gonna press on. I've got to get this down and in to the spot so I can use this chain pull. So. Stop! 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 Oh no! Oh, we have a major disaster.